Thanks for joining us on our Kickstarter campaign. This is the updated fiber kit. The RGB Critter fiber kit attachment is our costuming accessory and has 360 N-Glow fiber optic cables at 6 feet in length. The fiber kit screws easily into the threading at the top end of your RGB Critter. Unlike the Orbit Bit Whip, all the fibers within the fiber kit are cut to 6 feet and do not come pre-cut in layering, so you can engage in maximum modification for whatever your project or use by cutting fibers to your desired length using any household pair of scissors. The differences between the fiber kit and Bit Whip are in length, layering, and the absence of a bearing. With its longer length, absence of layering, and greater number of fibers, the fiber kit was designed to allow for maximum modification and creativity with costuming and art projects in mind. Thanks for checking out this video. We're excited to show you our brand new RGB Critter and its amazing accessories.